Welcome to Top 10 Crypto News. The most popular crypto story today is Reddit users want to form a DAO to buy Reddit. Users on Reddit have expressed an interest in creating a DAO to buy the platform once it lists itself as an IPO. A Reddit DAO could attempt a similar feat, but instead of buying an artifact, we could buy a controlling share of Reddit. They said, we could all have a voice on the board of a publicly traded company. What is a decentralized autonomous exchange? Any person who owns these tokens possesses the power to make critical decisions about the organization and become an essential part of the organization's administrative proceedings. The second most popular crypto story today is Cardano users can now spend ADA at 40,000 US stores via Flexa network. Pure digital payments processor Flexa has added support for ADA, the Cardano blockchain's native cryptocurrency, bringing it to the network's ever-growing roster of available payment options. At last, the native asset of Cardano is live on Flexa. Now you can spend your $sign ADA instantly at over 40,000 locations across the US. Per the announcement, SPEDN users can already try out instant ADA payments on the network. As more of our customers demand digital asset solutions and safer payment methods, we are grateful to have found a partner in Flexa, a company that is revolutionizing digital payments with cutting-edge software and an innovative business platform. Quantum of Solace Flexa's latest announcement might have sweetened the pill for many Cardano enthusiasts that were miffed at crypto payments provider BitPay last week. The third most popular crypto story today is European blockchain pre-commercial procurement. Objectives: the aim is to implement the pre-commercial procurement in cooperation with and building on the work of European blockchain partnership. It is clear that there are gaps in existing blockchain solutions to enable the delivery of more demanding cross-border blockchain services. The blockchain PCP therefore focuses on the development and testing of a novel distributed ledger or blockchain solution which builds on the EU legal framework, in particular the GDPR regulation, the IDAS regulation, and the NIS directive. The call for tenders, the contract notice for the EU blockchain PCP, was published on the 25th of November 2020 on TED, and the deadline for submission of offers was the 28th of January 2021. The package of all the tender documents and Q&A are still available online in e-tendering, depending on the quality, price of the offers that will be received for Phase 2 of the PCP. It is envisaged that, out of the 7 Phase 1 contractors, around 4 contractors will continue to the second phase and around 3 contractors to the last phase. The fourth most popular crypto story today is you can now hold physical Swiss gold on the Ethereum blockchain. Old money, new wallet. Getty SEBA Bank is launching a digital token that allows investors to take ownership of physical gold stored in Swiss vaults, all through the Ethereum blockchain. The token can also be used as a fully compliant stablecoin in digital asset marketplaces, mirroring the role of fiat stablecoins Tether and USDC. When selling digital assets such as Bitcoin, many cryptocurrency users choose to hold the proceeds in stablecoin balances that are pegged to a fiat currency, as opposed to holding the actual fiat currency itself, because these blockchain-based proxies are easier to trade, self-custody, and lend out for interest. Investors are looking for exposure to a broad range of assets, including stablecoins, crypto yield products, and tokenized assets. SEBA Bank is catering to this demand and opening access to the gold markets for investors in the form of a regulated, cost-effective, and future-proof digital token. Further token services will be rolled out on an ongoing basis over the coming months. The fifth most popular crypto story today is ETH 2.0 Testnet goes live in preparation for the upcoming merge. Breakdown: Kintsugi Testnet goes live as ETH prepares to receive the upcoming merge. The ETH 2.0 development team works around the clock days after one of them, under username Eric M, said through Discord that the POS merge would happen soon. Using the POS mechanism allows for the random picking of the nodes to verify a transaction. The upgrade will significantly affect the network. However, it won't be a new coin, and the investors will not change their wallet addresses. Even though ETH is not yet broken, its success is weighing it down. He added that most people hope that others are ready to succeed in the testing process. The sixth most popular crypto story today is Crypto.com becomes sponsor of Angel City Football Club. Crypto.com continues to strengthen its brand presence in the sports field and inked a sponsorship deal with Los Angeles-based Angel City Football Club, which is a women's soccer team. One of the signature features of blockchain is that it is maintained across more than one computer. By storing data via a peer-to-peer network, blockchain controls for a wide range of risks that are traditionally inherent with data being held centrally. These are instrumental in making sure that the distribution of supported security rates on that exchange are effectively relevant with real-time pricing. Outside of trading, a stock exchange may be used by companies aiming to raise capital, This is most commonly seen in the form of initial public offerings. Exchanges can now handle other asset classes, given the rise of cryptocurrencies as a more popularized form of trading. The seventh most popular crypto story today is HSBC hit with £64 fine for anti-money laundering failures. Between March 2010 and March 2018, HSBC had a string of ML failures, including failing to properly consider the scenarios it was using to pick up the risk of suspicious activity and not testing and updating its systems designed to flag it. The Financial Conduct Authority said on Friday the enterprise was involved in attempts to steal several million pounds by setting up fake companies, even though the customer had set up an HSBC account with an expected annual income of £40,000. The bank failed to act when he received hundreds of thousands of pounds in additional income, including £120,000 in a single day in April 2010. HSBC's transaction monitoring systems were not effective for a prolonged period despite the issue being highlighted on numerous occasions, said Mark Stewart, Executive Director of Enforcement and Market Oversight at the FCA. In 2012, HSBC was fined $1.9 billion and signed a deferred prosecution agreement with U.S. regulators over its role in laundering at least $881 for two of Latin America's deadliest drug cartels. The scandal was one of the biggest in the bank's 156-year history. The eighth most popular crypto story today is former Argentina president calls Ethereum most innovative technology. The second largest blockchain network and its currency, Ether, is not new to outstanding recognition. While describing his encounter, the former president praised the Ethereum technology as well as its native currency, saying, "Fascinating encounter with Vitalik Buterin, creator of Etherium, one of the most innovative decentralized technologies of our century." One recent Chainalysis report revealed that the Latin American country is one of the countries leading in crypto adoption, thanks to its dwindling economy and devalued currency. This does not pardon Ethereum, as it also had a decline. The ninth most popular crypto story today is Bitcoin climbs back above $49,000 in biggest jump since November. Bitcoin rose the most in more than a month, briefly climbing back above $49,000 for the first time in 5 days, amid a general rebound in risk sentiment. The largest cryptocurrency by market value gained as much as 5% to $49,331 in New York trading, the biggest intraday increase since Nov. 18. Bitcoin had slumped about 30% over the past 5 weeks after setting a record high of almost $69,000 in early November. Bitcoin may have put in a bottom in the midst of an enduring bull market, mirroring the recent crude oil peak, according to Mike McGlone, a commodities strategist for Bloomberg Intelligence. Showing divergent strength, the crypto was the standout and most significant major macroeconomic asset that advanced on deck. 20, he wrote. The 10th most popular crypto story today is Visa partners with 60 crypto platforms to let consumers spend digital currency at 80 million merchants. Finance Bitcoin news. Visa partners with 60 crypto platforms to let consumers spend digital currency at 80 million merchants. Visa's head of crypto has revealed that the payments giant has partnered with about 60 leading crypto platforms to launch card programs that make it easy for consumers to convert and spend digital currency at 80 million merchant locations worldwide. Sheffield elaborated, "We've partnered with more than 60 of the leading crypto platforms, like FTX, BlockFi, Crypto.com, Coinbase, and Binance, to launch card programs that make it easy for consumers to convert and spend digital currency at 80 million merchant locations worldwide. We've built a lot of momentum in this space and will continue to support the crypto ecosystem in several ways." He concluded, "Let us know in the comments section below." His interests lie in Bitcoin security, open source systems, network effects, and the intersection between economics and cryptography. It is not a direct offer or solicitation of an offer to buy or sell, or a recommendation or endorsement of any products, services, or companies. If you enjoyed the top 10 crypto news stories today, then like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.